Yo, what's up, YouTubers? Look what I just got today. My new iPod Nano. I need to open it. Wait just a sec. It says iPod Nano. There we go. There we go. There she is. My new iPod Nano. Set them down. Get the manual. No, that wasn't the manual. Headphones. Cables for the computer. Getting the crap off of this. No. A docking thing. Getting crap off of it. I just have one hand, guys. The manual's over there somewhere. Now, be very careful. There she is. The new iPod Nano. It's so much thinner. Yep. I have to go now because I need to plug in. I have to go now because I have to plug in my new iPod Nano into the computer. Bye-bye.